Hi everyone, it's Paul Stevens here with iGo Sales and Marketing. I often get clients after I build a website, I install the Nextgen Photo Gallery and they want to add more pictures to their photo galleries. Anyway, I'm going to do a quick tutorial today on how to enter in new images to your folders. Anyway, here we go. So first thing you want to do is go to your website. This is one of my clients here. The next thing you want to do is log in. So it doesn't matter what your website address is. Your login is always /wp-login.php, and you come to your login screen. Then put in your username, your password, log in. And if you'll see your dashboard come up. If you're going to add some more photos here, down here is your gallery, and you have a bunch of different options here. You can either add galleries or albums. The difference is a gallery is a set of single photos. An album is a bunch of galleries put together, if that makes sense. So you might have 3 photos in a gallery, and then you might have 4 galleries in an album, depending on how your site is set up. So if you want to particularly add images to a particular gallery, you can just click on Add Gallery here, and what'll happen is you'll get to an upload screen. You then have the option to pick which gallery you want to add something to, and then you can click on Add Files, select the file from your computer, and then you can just start upload, and it'll automatically add it to the gallery. And I've usually got it set so it resizes your images automatically for the web. The other thing you can do is you have a drag and drop functionality here, and it will add the photos to your gallery automatically. The other thing you may want to do is you may want to edit some titles, or you may want to remove some photos from an album. You might want to edit the description, things like that. To do that functionality, what you want to do is go into Manage Galleries down here, and it'll give you a list of all your galleries. It'll tell you how many images are in each gallery. Let's go into this one, for example. Just click on it, and it will show us all the images in this gallery. Okay, you can also, I believe, no, you can't add images from here. But what you can do is you can edit the thumbnail if you don't like how the thumbnail shows up in your gallery. And you simply click here and you get an editor to resize the thumbnail. You can rotate it. For example, if you've uploaded, there's the thumbnail editor come up. I'm just going to close that because I'm not going to do it. You can rotate it. Maybe you uploaded it and it came uploaded sideways and you just want to rotate it. That's easy. You want to remove it, you just delete it. Maybe you want to delete 3 or 4 or 5. You just check on them, and then you can go to bulk actions and you can delete tags, you can delete the images. There's a number of different options here. You can resize the images if you like. You can set a watermark on them. Some people are concerned that their images might get downloaded and used on someone else's website. If you're really concerned about that, maybe you're a photographer, you might want to set a watermark. You can copy them to another different album if you need to do that. So you can see here it's really easy to edit all the photos in your gallery. The title is here. And these are just the file names as they were uploaded, but you might want to rename this one, Flowers on Staircase or something like that. You might want to, do the same thing with the description. This is important for search engine optimization. If you're maybe like in the business of selling photos, you want to make sure that, or you want the photos to attract visitors to your website. You may want to put some thought into what a good title and a good description would be to contain the keywords that people would search on. In this case, it's a flower shop, and most people are searching for flower shop and arriving on the site. They're not specifically searching for or at least clients are not specifically searching for a photo of an orchid or something like that. So it's not super important in this case. But if you are, if photos is your main business, you want to make sure you get these titles and descriptions correct. So once you've made all the modifications that you want to do here, you can click on Save Changes, and it will update your gallery, and it'll appear on your site. Manage albums. In this case, I don't have any albums set up for this particular client, but let's say you wanted to put a few different albums or a few different galleries together to make up a single album. That's possible as well. And what you do is you click on Manage Albums down here, which I've done. So that concludes our instructional video of how to add new photos to your website galleries. Just remember, you can add more photos to a gallery. You can also take photos away from a gallery. You can change titles. You can rotate them. You can resize them. All that stuff you can do on your own. If you do need any help, Paul Stevens, iGo Sales and Marketing, I'm here to help.